Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is our griddler, and now we offer you our removable waffle plates, so now you can make crisp and delicious waffles in 3 minutes or less. So one of the great things about it is these waffle plates are removable, like I mentioned. So after you're done making your family a beautiful sweet or savory waffle for breakfast or even for a snack, all you have to do is remove the plates, put them in the dishwasher, and clean up is a snap. So I'm just going to fill these up a little bit so we can make waffles, and it takes about 3 minutes total. And what you do is you set your dials at about 400 degrees. I'm going to just spread this out a little bit so it's even with a little spatula. And then when we put the lid down, there you go. That's all there is to it. And you notice the outside of the housing is beautiful stainless steel. It has multiple knobs. You have your selector knob, your grill and panini knob, and also your griddler knob and the temperature settings. All you have to do is wait till the light turns green and put your batter in, and then the light will go off when it starts to cook the waffle, and then when it's green again, you know it's done. Like I mentioned, it takes about 3 minutes. And this is a great way to extend the fun and use of your griddler right at home.
George Foreman, the #1 brand in grilling, just got bigger. With over 240 square inches of cooking surface, the George Foreman indoor-outdoor grill can handle up to 15 servings at once. And it has all the classic features you've come to love in a George Foreman grill. The George Tough non-stick coating makes everything manageable. Signature Foreman heating elements deliver even heat from the center to the sides of the grill. The included removable stand allows for the complete grilling experience indoors or out. And with a removable grill plate, cleanup is beyond simple. The George Foreman indoor-outdoor grill, now serving your party of 15.
How many amazing features did we manage to fit inside the t-fal OptiGrill? Let's take a closer look. 6 different automatic cooking programs. Just select hamburger, poultry, sandwich, pork, red meat, or seafood to grill nearly anything to absolute perfection with little work from you. And don't forget, use any of the automatic programs with the snowflake button to cook directly from frozen. Like your steak a little more rare than the rest of the family? Handy color codes make it easy to pull individual servings off when they've reached the desired doneness. Yellow for rare, orange for medium, and red for well done. Automated sensors know exactly how thick your food is and adjust cooking time based on size, ensuring each meal is cooked to absolute perfection every single time. Want to make something that's not on the list like grilled vegetables? Set the OptiGrill to manual mode and get creative. Beautiful grill marks show the sear that locks in moisture, keeping your meats tender and juicy, all while fat drains away into the drip tray. No additional oils are required for cooking, so you'll eat healthier with the OptiGrill without any extra effort. It's so easy, it's completely foolproof. The OptiGrill's non-stick removable grill plates make cleanup a snap. Wait until they're cool, then rinse with water or wipe down with a damp cloth. They'll even fit right into your dishwasher. And since they're made by t-fal, you'll get the quality construction materials you've come to expect. So never burn or waste a steak again. Get perfectly grilled, healthier, tastier meals with the t-fal OptiGrill.